because right now we got to get into something so good, Gray. We've heard a little bit of jazz. I think we could do with a bit more.
I think we need it. Our lives need it. Sons and Captains by the incredible Ramon Alexander Trio. Take it away.
Yeah, so the next song is Sons and Captains, and the sons that I'm talking about is the Sons of Table Mountain, Robbie Jansen's band and Mac Mackenzie's band, the Kuma Captains of Cape Town. And this tune is in a Cape Jazz Kuma. Once again, Mr. Dylan Tabisha on the bass and Anna Minal on the drums. I'm with the Ramon Alexander Trio.
That is how you celebrate your heritage. Absolutely love it. And of course, Arno is going to be joining the bill a little bit later this morning as we unite for humanity in the name of the Arch. And if you want to plug into that, it's going to be St. George's Cathedral from the 3rd to the 5th, I think, of October. What an opportunity to see the greatest exponents of jazz and just world music. Cannot wait.
Tickets just start at $250. That's all you need to get into some more of this. And it happens next weekend. So please make sure that you get on that real quick. It is, of course, at quicket.co.za.